Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to log in to your account on Candy Crush Saga. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and download the official application from the Play Store. If you haven't already, go ahead and download Candy Crush Saga, and then you want to go ahead and open up the game on your mobile phone. So guys, after opening up the game, you will be greeted by this page right here, which is the main screen of the game, where you can see you have the play button and you have the My Account button. So guys, before we can get started playing, what we have to do is to go ahead and click on the My Account button right here. So guys, go ahead and click on My Account, and this will now take you to this new page where you can go ahead and log into your account. So guys, go ahead and enter in your login info, and after entering your login info or either logging in via Facebook, you can go ahead and log in. As you can see, then you'll be able to see your profile picture right here, and then you can go ahead and click on the play button, and after clicking on the play button, it's going to take you to this new screen where you can get started playing. As you can see, here is my map where I can see all my levels, the events, the shop, and so on. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you log in. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.